My name is Joseph Johnson. I am CEO and founder of Change Course. Really felt the need to try to support my family properly, but our financial home needs were not being met. All it took was one time that I took money that was supposed to go into a different investment and I put it into my account. And it just cycled on to where finally life fell apart. And I knew I couldn't live with it anymore, and I had to confess it. We were attending a small church at the time, and right away the pastor created a restoration team. And this group of people came around us and they said, "We're going to walk with you through this if you'll submit yourselves and give us the opportunity to do that for you." On the Labor Day weekend in September of 1995, they had to drop me off at the front door of Yankton Federal Prison Camp. My wife was crying, all the kids were crying, and I was sobbing. It was one of the worst days in my life. I truly couldn't believe I was here. I didn't want to go in and meet the men that I was going to meet because I had a vision of what they were like when I was checking in as one of them. In my small room, we had 2 bunk beds for 3 men. So we had 6 men in that one room. And these men I would fall in love with, and they changed me. They changed the way I viewed the American dream. I get out, somebody in that restoration team convinced another business owner, "You want to hire this guy? I know he's coming out of prison." And he said, "No, I can't hire a person out of prison." I know, but you want to hire him." I got the job because of my community. And that gave me the opportunity to experience a great deal of success. I kept thinking of the men that were returning to prison. They go back to the same exact community that they were just in, and nobody would give them a job, so what do? They sell drugs again. They steal. Within a year, 44% of them come back. Why should a middle-class white man have an opportunity that these men of different colors and different backgrounds don't have the same opportunity that I do? The number one reason that they were coming back was because nobody would give them a job. What if we changed that? Karen and I founded Change Course because we wanted to give back to people what we were given. Change Course is here to make people realize that they can contribute to the community when they don't believe they can.